Hey there, this is Chuck. This tutorial is going to cover creating a leaderboard embed and embedding it into your homepage or your website. So first thing we're going to do is go to the point system home, select your region and your affiliate name, take a look at the terms and conditions and click go. Alright, so once we're logged in, you'll hover over player home and go to settings. And from there, we'll go to Website Embeds and then open the Tournament Points Leaderboard Embed Creator. Alright, for the regular tournament embed, we're going to use this top part. These other embeds are great and will look really good throughout your website, but right now we're just going to focus on the regular tournament leaderboard. So we have several options, and with all the options on, I know it's a little bit small, so I'm going to make this 700. I don't know. Let's just create it and see what it looks like. Alright. So this is what it'll look like when it's embedded in your website. We've got everything turned on, wins, games, credits, and so forth. All of these things can be turned off. Some people don't like to use the loyalty credits or loyalty tokens as we call them, or the search for player. So we're just going to leave it as the standard the way it is. And we'll just come over here and we'll right click and say select all, right click and say copy. And now we've got all that code. We're going to go to our website HTML code. This is a basic HTML markup. Your website's going to have a lot more stuff, and I'm not, everybody's different. Not everybody knows HTML code. If you're using WordPress, make sure you're in the HTML edit section. When you're editing your website, there's a text part, a text section, and an HTML code. There's a little button near the middle top, I think, that you can toggle between the two. So you want to make sure you can see these tags. So I'm just going to go in between the center tag that I created and paste that code from the embed creator that I just made, and I'm done. I'll go ahead and save it, file save, and then I'll come over here to my documents and I'll open it up. And this is what I've got. A simple embedded leaderboard inside an HTML page. As you can see, it needs to be a little bit wider. You don't want to see these scroll bars. The embed has its own scroll bar that runs right here when the table gets longer, and it will scroll within the embed. So it looks like it needs to be a little taller and a little wider. So let's go ahead and do that. Just close that and go to my embed creator. And I know that the embed width needs to be wider, so just add 50 pixels to that and maybe 100 pixels to the height. So we'll hit create, select all, copy, come in here and I'll replace all this. Control S to save, come to my documents and open this up. Alright, so that's a little closer to what we want to see. There's no scroll bars. The table fits pretty well, and once it gets a little longer, it'll scroll all on its own. And right there. That's about it for now. So that's how you place the embed within your own HTML code. We'll have more tutorials on some of the other embeds that we have and some of the features. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.